Hey team, it's Sam Robinson here and welcome to Sharp Social. This is a brand new software that takes the advantage of some AI that's available for social media and compiles a whole bunch of statistics for you right within a dashboard, but it goes beyond that. Today in this demo, I'm going to show you how you can use these statistics, either positive or negative, to be able to boost your business and be able to either keep your customers happy, convert negative customers into happy customers, and sell both negative customers and happy customers more product, meaning more profit within your business today. This is quite a cool tool and it's all cloud-based, so all you need is a browser to be able to log in and do this from anywhere. So I've borrowed the account of Ben, one of the creators, because it is already populated with a whole bunch of social media accounts. This is dead simple to do. Once you get started, all you have to do is click manage campaign, and you have a bunch of campaigns. If you want to create a new campaign, you just literally call it a demo campaign. We'll do this, so you can call it whatever you want, and we click add. Okay, now from here, it's pretty easy. All we have to do is connect our Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and it's as simple as just clicking connect, and it'll connect your, let's just say for example this one from my Facebook, it's connected my Facebook. Now I can choose which page I want to add, and I can use this in my campaign. Okay, so I've done this, but then for this, and you can do this for Twitter as well. The front end version are Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Okay, I will tell you the front end version includes Facebook and YouTube, and then the upsell includes Twitter and Instagram. So that'll be OTO 1 version as well, but I'm going to run you through a lot of them just to show you the lot as well. So, but for the sake of this demo, I'm going to use one that's already populated because I've shown you how easy it is to add content to your campaign. I'll use one that's already populated. So we go up here to this little flag and we choose our campaign, and I'm going to choose the test campaign. So here we are, this one's already populated. As you can see on the dashboard, we can see what sorts of impressions we've been having on people with our social media presence. Now, we can get quite specific with this by just clicking into each platform. So let's showcase the Facebook one to start with. So I've clicked on Facebook. Here we go. We have all these posts that have happened on the Facebook page as well. We can see how many likes, comments, and shares each post got. Now, if we want to have a look at the overall picture, we can just click on the Insights page, and it'll give us an idea of how many people are talking about it on this page. Now, with this one here, because there hasn't been much recent action on this page, we're not getting so much reactions. However, this is a really good one to be able to check out the analytics tool, hence why I borrowed this account. Okay, so we can see on this page, we're getting about 41% positive feedback. We're getting neutral feedback, 29, unsupported 16, and 15% negative. Okay, when you have accounts that are fully loaded up, you can see how many likes are gained per page, engagement, consumption, and views, daily video views, and things like this. Okay, so this is all a whole bunch of extra analytics you're going to be able to see as you build up your page. However, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how you can react to some of this stuff. So here we go. We got a page here. It's got 25 comments. So we're going to click on view on this post, and we can see what sort of comments are what. Okay, it's arranged by sentiment. So so we can arrange it by sentiment. So all the green ones are positive results. Okay, these ones here are sort of, you know, neutral results. These ones here were unable to get data, and we don't have any negative results, but I'll show you anyway, just to show you what we can do with this. So if we click on Insights, we can go through all the stats if we have any stats we need to pull up on this. However, where it gets really interesting, again, we got the analytics tab, just like I showed you with the overall. Where it starts to get really interesting is the way you can react to these customers. Now, I told you before, I'll show you what you can do to be able to respond to happy customers and negative customers. So what we're going to do here is it's got positive comments. So if we got positive comments, we can either send a comment reply right within the thread, which could just say something like, thank you for your awesome feedback. To find out more, go to, and you can put your web page in there. Okay, however, something else that is really cool as well is the private message feature. You can directly private message those that are commenting on your content with positive feedback. So what you can do to these people, for example, what I would do is just say, thanks for the awesome feedback. /comment. Really appreciate it. Do you have any friends who might be interested in this? Also, please share our page link with them. Now, as you can see with this, you can use it to be able to use these positive people to encourage them to give you referrals. This is going to help you build your social network, build those people that are interacting with your page, and build a nice, strong, loyal following. Now, by being able to, you can go as far as you want because you have control of what you're going to put in as the comment. You could offer them incentives to be able to invite people to their page. You could maybe offer them coupons and things like that as well to help encourage them to invite their friends to the page. So you can use this and it will send it as a private message as soon as you click this button go. Now, how do we take care of the negative people? It's a fact that when you do a business online, you're going to get negative comments on YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. There's always going to be someone come out of the woodwork. But how can we use Sharp Social to be able to turn those negative people into happy customers, or people, people that are going to start to become loyal followers of yours as well? So this is really, really easy because it filters the negative comments, and you can either delete the comment to get rid of it. Say if there's people spamming your YouTube or things like that, you can just delete it if that is your choice of option. However, what I would recommend is either sending a comment reply, which is a really good way to take care of them, because you can reply and you could just say something like, thanks for your feedback. We'd love to help. Please contact us via direct message or our support team here, and put the support link in. That way you can take care of these negative people and encourage them to reach out and get help. And I can tell you, like, just from experience, just even saying you want to help out can change someone who is hell-bent on a refund or hates your brand to actually considering, oh, these guys do want to help me, and that way you can save yourself the refunds and things like that as well. So this is really cool way to do it via comment reply. What you can also do is you can send them a private message. So you can either send the same thing as a private message, but another way I would use the private message, because you don't want to do this in the public domain, is offer them discounts on your product. So if they are really negative about it, I would recommend you could offer them, coupons. You could offer them coupons to be able to help them save even more on it as a little thank you, or as a sorry for maybe the issues they were having. You can do it on future products. Now, also what you can do with the positive comments people is not only just asking for referrals and things like that, you can even add or refer on interesting sorts of products that you may have that relate to what they're so interested about on your social network. So if you have something similar that you'd like them to check out, you can also send them something similar. Now, to do this, it's really, really easy. Neutral comments, you can also do private message or comment reply. So you can bulk message, bulk comment on stuff. For the sake of the neutral one for this demo, we'll just leave that out today because we want to focus on the positive and negative, but you could use either ways of these to be able to take advantage of those people. So to do all this, all we do is click go, and that's going to send this out to our customers. You can also do stuff depending on the emotion. Because of the advanced AI, artificial intelligence that's involved with Sharp Social, it breaks down if the post is about joy, anger, fear, disgust, or sadness. So you can really isolate what sort of customer or what sort of post it is, and you can pre-do responses to those posts as well to be able to help take care of your customers better, encourage them to buy more, and things like that. So it is that simple to be able to do this sort of stuff with Sharp Social. Now you can also do this on your YouTube channel as well. I've shown you Facebook. On the front end, you get Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to click on YouTube over here. Here we go. So I've got a bunch of our videos up. It has a real cool bunch of analytics, so you can see all the analytics of your YouTube channel. You can see how many minutes have been watched, how many likes have been done, shares, all the sorts of stats you need. And then if we click onto the analytics, you can see the sort of sentiments on some of the content on your YouTube. You can check out your subscribers, the progress of how many you're gaining this month, how many shares, likes, and dislikes there are on your page, views. So there's a whole bunch of useful stuff here to help you manage that as well. And again, just like on the Facebook one, if I just click this one, as an example. It's just loading up here. Here it is. Cool. So it has got a bunch of comments. So as you can see, we have a negative comment on this one, we have some neutral comments, and we have a positive comment. Okay, so you're able to reply either directly within here, and you can do this with Facebook as well, or you can click on the response tab and set up the settings for the positive comments, negative comments, just like I showed you before. Now, what's really, really cool is OTO 1 allows you to add on Twitter and Instagram. Instagram's growing really, really quickly, so is Twitter. It's becoming more and more popular way for companies or marketers to be able to interact with their audience. So OTO 1 allows you to do exactly the same sort of stuff with Instagram and Twitter. You have the direct messaging feature, you have the ability to be able to reply to comments and things like that as well, reply to tweets. And of course, you get all the analytics as well. So as I've showed you on the Facebook, you can do all of this for Instagram and Twitter too. So this is a really, really cool, really cool software. You can run a number of campaigns. You can just flick between campaigns at the top here and manage everything to do with your account. One thing as well, when you do set up, you will have to integrate an API for the intelligence software. This doesn't cost you any extra, it's free, and there'll be a tutorial on how to do that, and I was able to set it up in just like about 2 minutes, and you just have to verify something in your email. It is that simple. Also with this, I will mention as well, not only do you have the API thing that you got to do, but you also integrate your accounts. So you have to put in if you're logged into Facebook and things, it will log in automatically. However, you will have to put in your username and password as well. This is all secure. They have SSL license on this page, so you can have safety and security that all your content is going to be nice and safe and secure within Sharp Social. So that is the software. It's that easy to use to be able to manage customers, sell to customers, and turn negative customers into happy customers and more. So this is Sam Robinson. Been a pleasure to show you through Sharp Social. Check everything out down below on the bonus page, and there will also be a whole bunch of info on the sales page when it goes live. Check out the bonuses as well, and make sure you get access during the early bird for maximum savings. We also have a coupon down below for those of you who miss out on the early bird period as well. So check it all out, and wish you success with this new cloud-based artificial intelligence software, Sharp Social.